Year 12 methods that comes out of 9F question number 1, finding the derivative of 2 root x by first principles. Okay, so f of x is going to be 2 root x, which means f of x plus h will be 2 the square root of x plus h. And putting it into our first principles rule, I'm going to have the limit as h approaches 0 of 2 root of x plus h minus 2 root x all over h. And I can then take a common factor of 2 outside of the square root of x plus h minus the square root of x all over h. Now, I'm going to multiply it by what would be like in the difference of two squares. I'm going to multiply it by the square root of x plus h plus root x over the square root of x plus h plus root x. And the reason I do that is so that I can get rid of the square roots. So I'm going to have equals the limit as h approaches 0 of 2. The square root of x plus h times this will give x plus h. This times that will be positive, this times that will be negative, and then I'll have minus x on top of h. The square root of x plus h plus root x, which is the limit as h approaches 0 of 2. My numerator becomes h, my denominator is h, the square root of x plus h plus the square root of x, and you'll notice my h's cancel. And since my h's cancel, I no longer have h in the denominator. I can now make h 0, which means it's going to equal 2. 1 on top of, if that is 0, I've got root x plus root x, which is 2 on top of 2 root x, which equals 1 on root x. And that's going to be my derivative.